Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to insert columns on part of a page in Google Docs. So open up your document and save in typing like full page, like you can see I have, but you want to start having text on the left and the right. This is how you do it. So you place your cursor where you want to start, and then we're going to click on Insert Table, and we're just going to add in 2 building blocks. So this is how we're going to build our columns. So we're going to get rid of the borders. We're going to hide them by clicking on the borders and turning them to white. So I'm going to do this for all the borders on the top, bottom, and sides. So keep going till you turn them all to white. So I'm nearly there. Just going to do the sides now. So just do this middle one, turn that to white, and the other one on the side. Now I can click and start typing now. And you can see the text just stays on the left. When I'm happy with the text there, I can click into the right side and start typing, and you can see that will stay on the right side. When you finish typing in your columns on part of the page, just click out of that, and then you can start typing right across the page again. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.